In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change store currency on your Shopify. First, log into your Shopify. I'm going to do that right now. Just click on log in and log into your store. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, to change your Shopify currency, like your Shopify store currency, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And as you can see, make sure you click on store details, okay? After that, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here you will find store currency. What you need to do, guys, you want to click here, and after you change store currency, you have to do the next steps, okay? Now you just want to find here the store currency. I'm going to find it. It's called, like, I'm going to add dollars. Now what you need to do, guys, next, after you add the store currency, you want to click on save in the top, because a lot of people don't click on save, and that's exactly, guys, like, that's not what you need to do to change the currency. Make sure you click on save, and now you have successfully changed store currency on Shopify. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about Shopify, click on the video on the screen. See you guys in the next video.